Hello, my name is Chrissy. Welcome. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Chrissy. Hello, welcome. So in today's haul, I'm going to be showing you 5 essential items that you need in your wardrobe from REBDOLLS. Along with these 5 essential items, I am going to show you how to kind of spice them up and style them to wear out, to wear on a date, to wear to brunch with your girls. However you want to wear them, casually dressed up. I'm going to show you how I would style all of these items, okay? So if you look forward to seeing that, then make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, child. It ain't gonna be that long. But first, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. I now upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and on the weekends, okay? Also, when you're not watching me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ChrissyStyles to stay in the loop. Now let's get into these closet essentials. Okay, guys, so for this first look, well, first of all, before I even start this, I want to go over real quick what an essential is. So essential is kind of like those basics in your wardrobe. They don't have prints on them. They don't have sequins. They don't have glitter. They don't have pictures, logos on them. It's just literally basic items in your wardrobe that you can style a lot of different ways, and typically they are timeless, okay? I did a video about this a long time ago, and I will link that video so you guys can see what essentials I feel like everyone needs in their wardrobe. But first, we are going to start off with this dress from REBDOLLS. This is kind of a t-shirt maxi dress in black. It's fitted, it's bodycon. I love how it has this like kind of racer neckline or cut to the dress. It also looks like that in the back. Okay, here is from side. Here is from the back. I am wearing this dress in a size 3X. That's something I love about REBDOLLS. They are so size inclusive. They go all the way from like an extra small up to like a 5X. So it's like a 0 up to like a 32. That's crazy, right? And everything is so true to size. So I have this one in a 3X. And yes, you can wear this very simply. Like I can wear this with tennis shoes. I can wear this with sandals. But I decided to spice it up for you guys. I threw on these furry, like, heel slippers, okay? Because it's black, sometimes I do want to give you a little pop of color while still keeping it black, sexy, and sophisticated. And I just added this cute little, small, super tiny black bag to go with it, just because I didn't want to take too much from the shoes. And that's the great thing about just a great closet essential. It fits well, it looks good, it looks sexy, and I'm able to accessorize with it however I want. So take it all in. Isn't she cute? Don't you want this? And this is also not just a summer item. You can wear this for fall. Put a jacket on with it, honey. Put a jacket over your shoulder. Put a kimono on with it. Honey, she's cute. She's versatile. Alright, you guys, so for this next look, I have this all white fitted essential maxi dress. It is a v-neck cut. It is also has spaghetti straps, okay? The dress is very cute. Again, I'm wearing this in a size 3X. So cute. Let me turn around for you guys. Doesn't look good. And I know, white is one of those things that are really hard to wear sometimes. But listen, thick girls, curvy girls, big girls, y'all can wear white too, okay? And I'm about to show you how. So with this dress, I wanted to do something just classic, not too hard, very simple. All this is going to be very simple styling. I want to pair this with a crop jean jacket. A lot of the times I love to pair an essential maxi dress like this with a crop jean jacket because it kind of gives dimensions to the body, okay? So we're not going to take away from the waist. We're not going to take away from the behind. We're not going to take away from the hips. We're going to put on a crop jean jacket with this, okay? I also paired it with some pink heels just to give a little pop of color. I don't know if you can see them because of my carpet, but I want to give a little pop of color and give them a little bit of designer. Why not? Okay, and don't y'all be asking me about the shoes. I'm going to do a shoe haul, but this is a REBDOLLS haul right now. I am going to do a shoe haul for you guys. If you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. Let me know. But this is super cute, okay? This is super brunch, super date, super I just want to get dressed and take pictures of myself. It's just really, really cute. I think it is important to have a white, just regular dress in your closet because it can be put with literally anything. A kimono, a jacket, you know, and white, don't be afraid of white. I know we're afraid of white because it shows all the lumps, all the rolls, all the bumps, but so what? Okay? They're there. And they're beautiful. And they're mine. Okay? I got the rolls. He got the butter. And what? Alright, you guys, so for this next look, I want to give you something lounge. I want to give you something chill. You can wear it around the house, you can wear it out, but it's casual, it's chill for any of those occasions. This is the REBDOLLS Essential Full Bodysuit. Okay, I got this in brown because, to be honest, I have enough black, I have enough gray. So I want to give you something brown, okay? A little hot chocolate on hot chocolate. For this outfit, I just tied this flannel around my waist. This also is kind of like a brown tannish flannel. So first off, this bodysuit fits really well. I have this on again in a size 3X. Okay, and I still have a little bit of room even in the legs. So for tall girls, this will be great for you because it has extra length on it, but even if you are short, it's not like weird because you can just adjust it, play with it, whatever. One thing I love about it is it's not too big in the ankles. I really hate when people make pants, leggings, things like this. I've had so many experiences like this where they're too big in the ankles because apparently I think big girls have big ankles all the time, and we don't. I mean, I do. I have one swollen one, but still, it can fit in a regular sized ankle pant hole situation, okay? So I just tied this around the waist. Now you guys know this is my hack for when you want to hide a little belly or whatever, when you feel a little bloated. Also, this really helps to cinch the waistline and just give your outfit an accessory, okay? It's like an accessory for your outfit. It's not necessary. It does have functions, but it's cute, okay? And I took it back to, what is it, 80s or 90s? Don't kill me, I was born in 95. I put on my little scrunch socks with this look just to give it a little something. Now, if you're going out the house or you're having a Netflix and chill with bae, this is cute just like this. But if you are going to have out the house, go ahead and pair this with a cute pair of white tennis shoes. I would pair this with my white Nike Air Force. I don't know where they are right now. My life, okay? Or, now this just came to me, fall is coming up, a cute pair of Ugg boots. Oh my God, like some chocolate brown Ugg boots or the sand color Ugg boots. That would be so cute with the socks, baby. Grab your little bag. Okay, I like to match, okay? I like to match when I have a brown. I like to be a little monochromatic, okay? I like to match. You grab your little Louis or your little brown bag or whatever, and you out the door, honey. You look cute. This is a grocery store look when you want to get a man. This is like coming from the gym. This is chill. This is Netflix and chill. Going to your man's house to watch a movie. This is really, really cute. Sis, this is the one. There's always one, and this is it. Okay, this orange two-piece set, so cute. It is sold separately, you know, so you can mix and match. I have the pants on in size 3X. I have the top on in a 2X. Love this crop top. First of all, love the material of the whole thing. It fits so good. Let me go ahead and give it to you, model it for you. The side, the back. Okay, love this. Like, this is so comfortable, feels so good, so soft, it's so stretchy. Like, it has pockets. They have this in so many different colors. I chose orange because, for obvious reasons, I chose orange. Orange is my color. It's bright. It's happy when I put on orange. It just makes me feel good when I put on bright colors. This is an outfit that you need in your closet. Why? Because this is business, okay? You can pull the crop top down a little bit. The crop top is long enough, honey, okay? This is lunch. It is brunch. It is however you want to wear it. It can be for that. It's simple, but it's cute. You can do so many things with this. But this, I just paired it with this yellow like crochet bag, just to give you color, just to give you brightness. That's how I feel when I put this on. I felt good, I felt bright, I felt happy. I just have a pair of clear heels on with it. Nothing special, nothing big. I think the outfit just speaks for itself. It's really nice. It has pockets. You guys, we love pockets. It has freaking pockets on it, and it's just really, really cute. Oh, I don't know if you noticed, but these pants, let me put them back down. These pants have like this thick waistband, and the waistband is like kind of cinching my waist, okay, to look good in this crop top, and it's just like holding what needs to be held in this area. It's giving me snatch. It's giving me waist. It's giving me, yes, honey. You need this. You need this. If there's anything in this haul you're going to get, I recommend this one. I love this one. Also, if you've gotten here so far, drop an orange down for me in the comments. An orange heart or orange emoji, the food. Either one of them. I also have a discount code for you guys in the description box that will give you, I believe it's 20% off your order. That's a lot. That's a lot of percents, okay? It's more than most places. So go ahead, down in the description box, if you see it, grab it, okay, and shop REBDOLLS. Guys, so for this outfit, I want to step out of my comfort zone. This is a two-piece biker short and crop top outfit. It fits so well. I'm wearing this in a size 3X. It fits so well to the point where it's like really comfortable. Like the crop top can be as crop as you want, but if you don't want it super crop, it can come down. Like that's one thing I really love about REBDOLLS and their crop tops, okay? I paired it with this oversized jean jacket because, listen, I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna still kind of be in my comfort zone, okay? So I paired it with this oversized jacket just to make me feel nice and comfortable. Also put on these orange colored shades because I love colored shades. It just gives something to your outfit. It just gives your outfit a pop. Also paired with these clear heels. Super cute. Now I'm being extra right now, probably on my everyday basis. I just throw on some sneakers, some Vans, some platform Vans or something, go with this outfit. But I want to step out my comfort zone and give you guys something cute, okay? Do you love? You guys, I want to hear everything you think about these outfits, the essential items, how you styled it down below in the comments. Remember, essentials are what make up your wardrobe, okay? Not all the flashy stuff, not all the prints, not all the trendy stuff. It's essentials because you can style them so many different ways. So for all of your essentials, especially that fit true to size, really good, just really in style, shop REBDOLLS. I will have their website, their Instagram, everything linked down below. I have been shopping with REBDOLLS for years, since before, you know, I even became an ambassador and doing hauls for them. I've been shopping at them as being my own point for years, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to be subscribed. Remember to turn your notification bell so you don't miss another video like this from me. I will be posting again this weekend. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.